Keto Teriyaki Tofu Steaks. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients. 150 grams firm tofu. 1 teaspoon minced ginger. 1 tablespoon low-sodium soy sauce. 1 tablespoon mirin. 2 teaspoons sugar-free maple syrup. 1/4 cup water. 1 tablespoon chopped scallions. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Procedure. 1. Stir together water, soy sauce, mirin, maple syrup, spring onions, sesame oil, and ginger in a bowl. 2. Pan fry tofu in a lightly oiled non-stick pan. 3. Pour in teriyaki sauce mixture and simmer into a glaze. 4. Top with sesame seeds and scallions. Nutritional information. Energy 366 kilocalories. Protein 25 grams 24%. Fat 28 grams 67%. Carbohydrates 8 grams 9%. Fiber 4 grams. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks.